Welcome to Auto Info channel. Today we are talking about Honda Shine Details luxurious showroom walk around. The Honda Shine stands out in its class due to its perfect blend of performance, style, and reliability. It is powered by a 125cc single-cylinder engine that offers both power and efficiency. The engine is designed with Honda's eco-technology, ensuring optimal fuel combustion and reduced friction. This results in better mileage, making it an economical choice for daily commuters. The 5-speed gearbox ensures smooth transitions between gears, enhancing the riding experience whether in city traffic or on the highway. The design of the Honda Shine is sleek and modern. It features bold graphics, a chrome finish on the muffler, and stylish alloy wheels that give it a premium look. The aerodynamic bodywork is not just for show, it improves the bike's performance by reducing air resistance. The headlamp is bright and clear, ensuring good visibility during night rides, while the LED tail lamp adds to the modern appeal of the bike. The bike comes in various colors, giving riders the option to choose one that suits their personality. Comfort is a key factor in the Honda Shine's design. The long, wide seat provides ample space for both the rider and the pillion, ensuring a comfortable ride even on long journeys. The seat cushion is designed to reduce fatigue, while the upright riding position minimizes strain on the back and shoulders. The suspension system, which includes a telescopic front fork and a spring-loaded hydraulic rear shock absorber, absorbs bumps and potholes effortlessly, ensuring a smooth ride on all types of roads. Safety is paramount in the Honda Shine. The Combi Brake System (CBS) with equalizer ensures balanced braking between the front and rear wheels, reducing stopping distances and providing better control. The bike is equipped with tubeless tires that offer better grip and reduce the risk of sudden deflation. The side stand engine cutoff feature prevents the bike from starting if the side stand is down, adding an extra layer of safety. The clear lens indicators and reflective graphics improve visibility to other drivers, especially during night rides. The Honda Shine is not just about performance and safety, it's also about convenience. The bike features a maintenance-free battery that requires less frequent servicing, reducing long-term ownership costs. The viscous paper filter is designed to last longer and offers better air filtration, which helps maintain engine performance. The fuel tank has a capacity of 10.5 liters, reducing the need for frequent refueling stops, especially on long rides. The instrument cluster is easy to read and provides all essential information at a glance, including speed, fuel level, and trip meter. Fuel efficiency is one of the Honda Shine's strongest features. Thanks to the HET technology, the bike offers an impressive mileage of around 65 km/h, making it one of the most fuel-efficient bikes in its segment. This makes it an ideal choice for daily commuting, helping riders save on fuel costs over time. The bike's lightweight design and efficient engine work together to deliver excellent performance without compromising fuel economy. Durability is another hallmark of the Honda Shine. The bike is built with high-quality materials that ensure it can withstand daily wear and tear. The diamond frame provides excellent stability and strength, while the premium paint finish protects the body from corrosion and scratches. The engine components are designed for longevity, reducing the need for frequent repairs and replacements. With regular maintenance, the Honda Shine can deliver reliable performance for many years. The riding experience on the Honda Shine is smooth and enjoyable. The responsive throttle ensures quick acceleration, while the balanced chassis provides excellent handling. The bike feels stable at high speeds and is easy to maneuver in tight city traffic. The lightweight design makes it accessible for riders of all skill levels, from beginners to experienced motorcyclists. Whether you're navigating through congested streets or cruising on an open highway, the Honda Shine delivers a comfortable and confident ride. The Honda Shine also offers excellent value for money. Its competitive pricing, combined with low maintenance costs and high fuel efficiency, makes it a cost-effective choice for riders. The bike's high resale value is another advantage, as Honda motorcycles are known for their reliability and durability. Whether you're buying your first bike or upgrading from an older model, the Honda Shine is a smart investment that offers long-term benefits. In addition to its practical features, the Honda Shine also has a strong emotional appeal. Riding a Shine is about more than just getting from one place to another, it's about enjoying the journey. The bike's smooth performance, stylish design, and comfortable ride make every trip a pleasure. It's a bike that you'll be proud to own and excited to ride, whether you're commuting to work, running errands, or heading out for a weekend adventure. The Honda Shine is backed by Honda's extensive service network, ensuring that support is always available when you need it. The wide availability of spare parts and skilled technicians makes maintenance easy and hassle-free. Honda's reputation for quality and customer service means that you can trust your Shine to deliver consistent performance and reliability. With regular servicing and proper care, the bike will continue to perform at its best for many years. Environmental responsibility is another aspect where the Honda Shine excels. The bike's efficient engine design reduces emissions, making it a more eco-friendly option compared to many other motorcycles in its class. Honda's commitment to sustainability is reflected in the Shine's design and manufacturing process, ensuring that you can enjoy your ride while minimizing your environmental impact. Customization options allow you to personalize your Honda Shine to suit your style. From custom graphics to practical accessories like luggage racks and crash guards, there are plenty of ways to make your bike unique. The availability of official Honda accessories ensures that any modifications are high quality and compatible with the bike's design. Whether you want to enhance the bike's performance, comfort, or appearance, there are options to meet your needs. The Honda Shine is more than just a motorcycle, it's a lifestyle choice. It's a bike that reflects your values, whether it's reliability, efficiency, or style. Owning a Shine means being part of a community of riders who appreciate quality and performance. It's a bike that adapts to your needs, offering a versatile riding experience that suits a variety of purposes, from daily commutes to weekend rides. For new riders, the Honda Shine offers an ideal introduction to motorcycling. Its user-friendly design, smooth handling, and reliable performance make it easy to learn and build confidence on the road. The bike's safety features and comfortable ride make it a practical choice for beginners, while its stylish design and performance capabilities appeal to more experienced riders as well. The Honda Shine's popularity is a testament to its quality and performance. It has consistently ranked among the best-selling motorcycles in its class, thanks to its blend of affordability, efficiency, and reliability. The bike's strong resale value and widespread recognition make it a trusted choice for riders across the country. Whether you're looking for a dependable commuter bike or a stylish ride for leisure, the Honda Shine delivers on all fronts. In conclusion, the Honda Shine is a motorcycle that offers the perfect balance of performance, comfort, and style. Its efficient engine, advanced features, and durable design make it a standout choice for riders of all levels. Whether you're navigating city streets, commuting to work, or heading out on a weekend adventure, the Shine provides a smooth, enjoyable ride that's both economical and reliable. With its strong reputation, extensive service network, and customizable options, the Honda Shine is a bike that you'll be proud to own and ride for years to come. Please like and subscribe my channel so you never miss any updates.